Greetings everyone, this is Tony Holowitz. I want to thank you for being here for this tutorial. Sometimes we want to search for information and we are not sure where it is or the depth or the quality or quantity of that information. ACT has a Google-like search tool that you can use to find that kind of information. We are so used to looking up information based on something that is very specific, like a company name or a first name or a last name. But sometimes you just don't know where that information is. So how do you search for it? Well, notice this little search box right up here. I'm going to type in John. And I'm going to just hit enter on my keyboard. What ACT is going to do is search the entire database for any instance of the name John. Now this is a demo database, so there's not a ton of data in here right now. So what it found is people named John. And if I want to go to and this one is Van Johnson, so it included the name John. But if I want to look up John Chance, I can just click on it, and I'll be taken right to John. Sometimes you might say, you know what, I had a meeting. So who was that meeting with? I'm going to just type in meeting, hit enter, and now we found the word meeting in different areas. We found it as an activity and as a history as well, because we've recorded a history of a meeting. Let's take it a step further. Let's go and find the following. Now I'm going to create a scenario for you. Person in my database told me he owned a zebra zoo, and I cannot remember who that contact was. I know it was someone, but I have 200 contacts in my database. I remember it was unusual because he owned a zebra zoo. So I'm going to search for zebra. Okay. Who is that person? Well, right here, and I misspoke, it's a woman actually. I'm going to click on owns a zebra zoo. And that person is actually first name of Cindy. So Cindy owns the zebra zoo. Okay, and I made a note of that in the notes for Cindy's contact. So this is just an example of how you can find information that you don't exactly know where it is, but you can find it. My name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you so very much. Have a great day. Bye now.